This vlog, but happy Vlogmas Day 16, and I'm going to a Christmas party, so...
Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I just have my Stranger Things ugly sweater on. It's not really ugly, I actually think it's kind of cute, so yeah, but jeez please. So yeah, then I just put on some little leggings, and I'm just gonna wear my white pants because, yeah, I'm just gonna be taking off my shoes like right away anyways. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm bringing as my white elephant gift, and basically what a white elephant is. Okay, so anyways, if you don't know what a white elephant is, or if you've never done a white elephant, it's basically where everyone's names who's involved in the party puts, or at least brought a gift, puts their names in a hat, and you draw out a hat, and then you pick a present. And you don't know what's in the present, you just pick a random one. And then you just keep going, light it up. And then if like you want someone else's, so like say your name gets picked, and you want someone else's gift, then you can steal other people's gifts and they have to re-pick another gift. So I think it's really fun, and you always get something pretty good out of it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I get out of it later. But yeah, I'm bringing, so I got this face mask set from Target that I like. I wouldn't really be mad if I got my own gift because I like my gifts, so yeah. Then I got this socks, which I actually kind of want because the socks are cute and like can be worn as like crew socks, so like kind of want my own gift, guys. And then I got some of these toffee things because we ate them during basketball, and this is a basketball party. And then I got some M&Ms, so yeah. Oh, and then a body scrub, a vanilla body scrub. So yeah, that's what I am bringing for the okay, and I need to go put wrapping paper in it, and then wrapping paper, tissue paper in it, and it'll be all good to go. So see you guys at the party.
Hey vlog! Look at all this assortment of food. There's Jaden. I love vlog. So I already got my food, and then we got all this. And Jade's getting chicken Alfredo. So here's Jade. Oh God. Here's Grace. Hey. Sarah. Hello. Brooke. And Jules. Hey. Hey, Bob. And Allison. And me. And Anna. Save the best for last. Hey, Sarah. Save best for last. Say Reed. Oh, Sarah. Sorry. Hey, bye. Hey guys. So we're at dinner. Yes. Stop. And I'm eating some chicken Alfredo and salad. We're eating. Hey vlog. This is great. I'm a big fan of Riley. Hi guys. I'm Sarah. Introduce your cupcakes.
Okay, these are the vanilla ones and these are the chocolate ones. These are our Christmas trees and these are our chocolate Santas.
I'll take this. Cause this one,
and I made these, and I'm so proud.
this one has a pretzel on it.
I'm proud of myself. I made
strawberry
these.
So we took this picture last year at this party, and then we just recreate this.
Ew, I look so rad. I look good at this one.
Yeah!
So we're taking over right now because they're doing like a kick line that I do not know how to do.
How do you know how to do it?
Well, I don't, and I'm not doing another one. Y'all suck! Oh my god! And the games begin.
Take your position.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
You got it! Yeah!
15 seconds!
Wait, they got it first! We got it first!
Did you get 5?
Yeah!
Oh, okay. Katie's got 5.
I have it on video!
Are you on a team?
Yeah,
I don't know what
I'm on Katie's team.
Okay, yeah, me too.
Yeah, team! my team? Yes. Go team. Go red team.
Jack, what's up, pyramid? You gotta get back.
Yes.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dude, I used to do this all the time. Right? I did this all the time in my old school.
Wait, there's 2.
No, I think the slow turtle. Yeah, the slow turtle might win the race.
Well, we lost that round. Grace was on our team. And it took her like 2 minutes and 30 seconds to declare only a minute and 30 seconds. So.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Come on.
Do a back bend.
This is so hard.
It's working. How does her back? I don't know. No, there's one more. There's one more.
Wow.
I just licked it.
I just bite it.
Seriously, I need to get 2 doubles.
2 doubles.
Come on, Jaden.
No.
Jaden, bite it.
Bite it.
Bite the corner where it folds.
You gotta hurry up.
I'm trying.
Oh my god, are you kidding?
Oh my Jesus Christ.
Just smack it really hard. Punch it in the face.
Oh, she's close.
Kimmy's probably down.
Yeah! Oh my god!
Did you handle that?
We just both did games and I won.
Yeah, she did so good.
Sorry,
In
Allie.
your mouth.
And now Riley is about to play a game. That's why I'm vlogging.
These are good.
And she's against Juliana. And they have to put a cookie on their head and then they have to eat it.
Do I pick it up and
Go.
put it back on?
Okay.
Hey, can we get one person from each team to be their lean back? Ready, set, go.
I know, I'm not good. Like the side. That way, yeah. Just tell your.
Use your eye muscles and your eyebrows. There you go.
We love you.
First one to get 3 in a row in any way wins.
Oh, so okay.
Any way. You have to stick tacks up. And stick tacks up.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
How did that hold you?
Do I take the cup?
No, give it there. Give it there.
Playing tic-tac-toe, bro. 1, 2, not good. Oh! That doesn't even make sense. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Okay, now she won.
Yes, sir.
Ah, Brooke won.
You told me to go here!
Yes, go here or here.
Set.
He's green, he's mean, and he hates Christmas. Chris.
Whoa, boy.
Yes, whoever does that. That was really good.
Go.
Dun dun. Roasting on open fire.
Huh?
There we go.
What? Okay, so it's Riley's turn because she just got picked. Everybody, shh.
Go.
Okay, Santa comes down this chimney.
Man, these are too easy.
Wow, these are really easy.
Now.
Dun dun, nipping at your nose. Jack Frost.
What?
That's just a Jack Frost.
Ready, set, go.
Elf! Elf! Yes, good job. Good drawing. Clearly, it's just like shit.
Go.
Wait! No one's good.
Carols!
Yeah!
Carols!
My team is back up.
Good!
Okay, it's something you drink in Christmas time.
Eggnog!
Man.
Okay, so this is not our team, but it's just a.
Here's go.
Probably
Just 1
gonna be
second.
really bad, but it's okay.
Go.
It's like.
Hill! Ski! Snow sledding! Snow down a hill! Slice! Santa sledding down a hill! Sleigh ride!
With my hair too.
Alright, red team, are you ready? Let's go. Go!
Star! Just to act it.
Team, are you ready? Just a second.
Okay, this is for the tie. This is for the tie.
This is for my team.
Drink.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hot chocolate.
Smells good. Keep going.
Got some goodies.
Got a box.
Yes.
Got some scrunchies, which my sister will steal in the next 5 days. We got the earrings.
Ooh, those are cute. Those are actually
My
cute.
ears are forever abandoned. Huh? And then I have these, which I don't know the name of.
Hair ties?
I don't know. Boutique d'Accessoires pour. That's in French. Okay, you can.
Okay, so man, what'd you get?
I got a champion sweatshirt.
Okay, Grace.
I got this lovely candle in my Santa sack.
Okay.
I got face masks and some socks and a dark face mask. And I got an Ulta cup card somewhere in there.
Yes. Katie. Cute. Sarah, what'd you get? Give me a haul.
I got some socks I just found. And then
Dude, I should have stole your gift.
I should have. No, I'm kidding. I got socks. Yes, and I got a cup. It says sweater.
Who brought this? Do you know who brought this?
Who brought this? Hello?
Who brought Sarah's?
Maybe it was Jade. I think maybe it was Jade. And then the hot chocolate.
That's cute.
And then this is yours. Peppermint.
Yes. Claire, give me a haul. Where's your haul? Oh, Jade got wheelies.
Yeah. So I got this soft blanket, feel it. And I got some Star Patch Kids.
Yes. And yeah, Jade got wheelies, but she's figuring them out. Okay, give me a haul.
So I got 2 candy canes already ate half. I got these dope things already. I have like 20 at home. It's all good. And then I got this bubbling mask. It's actually kind of cool. I always kind of wanted one of those. Got this molding clay.
Oh, that's good. Those ones are good.
Wait, I don't even know what this is.
Don't open it.
And then this is moisturizing plumping mask. And my favorite one, a lip plumper. I'm gonna try this actually like tomorrow, and we're gonna see how it turns out tomorrow.
Send me a video and I'll put it in the vlog. So stay tuned if you want to figure out if this does anything.
We're gonna see if this works. We're gonna see if this is Giuliana Villani approved.
Anna, show me a haul.
A what?
A haul, what you got? Oh, okay. Oh, that's a good bag.
Jules! Sorry. She's so annoying. I got a Starbucks gift card. I got some marshmallows.
And hot cocoa.
And I'll take that. Stop. You're being rude.
Okay, I'm Jaden, and I just got a blanket.
My part of this.
Who brought this? She's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Then I got a mug
And some socks.
and some socks.
Is it filming? Hey guys, so the Christmas party ended. Literally everyone left like really quick. I think my parents are just leaving, so that's great. I switched my slippers for a $15 Starbucks card. Pretty nice. So yeah, that was really fun. Signing off, Juliana. Bye. Okay guys, so I ended up getting my own gift, but I actually gave the M&Ms to Grace because she didn't get as good of a gift and I felt bad. So yeah, I gave her those, and yeah, so I got everything else, and yeah. And also my team ended up winning the games, all the games that we played, like overall. So yeah, that was fun. So, hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please hit a big thumbs up, subscribe down below or this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!